Have you ever wondered what's the secret sauce to success? It's a question that sparks a myriad of thoughts. So let's delve into the realm of success, a term that holds different meanings for different people. For some, success may be synonymous with wealth, a lavish lifestyle, and all the luxuries money can buy. For others, it may represent achievement, perhaps becoming the best in their field, breaking records, or even creating something remarkable. Yet for another group, success might not be about material gains or grand achievements. It could simply be about personal satisfaction, a sense of fulfillment that comes from doing what they love, making a difference, or even finding balance in life. So, what's your interpretation of success? Is it wealth, achievement, personal satisfaction, or perhaps a blend of all? Remember, success is a subjective concept. It varies from person to person. Understanding your definition of success is the first step to achieving it. Consider the stories of some of the world's most successful people. First, let's talk about Elon Musk, a man who's never shied away from the impossible. His relentless pursuit of innovation has led to groundbreaking advancements in electric vehicles and space travel. Musk had a vision, and despite countless setbacks, he never let failure deter him. His perseverance is a testament to the power of never giving up on your dreams, no matter how lofty they may seem. Then there's Oprah Winfrey, a woman whose name is synonymous with triumph over adversity. Growing up in poverty, Winfrey faced unimaginable hardship, yet she channeled her experiences into a force for positive change, becoming a beacon of hope and inspiration for millions around the globe. Oprah's story reminds us that success isn't about where you start, it's about where you're going and the resilience you show in getting there. And of course, we can't forget Sachin Tendulkar, the cricket legend from India. Known as the god of cricket, Tendulkar's discipline and dedication to his craft were unparalleled. He spent countless hours honing his skills, always striving to be the best version of himself on and off the field. Tendulkar's story shows us that discipline and dedication are key ingredients to achieving greatness. So what do these success stories have in common? Persistence, passion, and a strong work ethic. Musk's unwavering determination, Winfrey's resilience, and Tendulkar's discipline all played a significant role in their journeys to success. But remember, these individuals are unique, each with their own path and approach. These stories show that there's no one-size-fits-all approach to success. Each journey is as unique as the individual undertaking it. So as you strive for your own success, remember to stay resilient in the face of adversity, remain dedicated to your passion, and never underestimate the power of hard work. Now that we've seen how others have achieved success, how can you create your own success strategy? Well, first and foremost, it's about setting clear, achievable goals. Having a clear vision of what you want to achieve is like having a roadmap to your destination. Equally important is persistence. Success rarely comes overnight. It's a journey, often filled with obstacles and detours. Persistence is about not giving up when the road gets tough. Then there's passion. Passion is the fuel that keeps you going, even when things get challenging. It's about loving what you do and doing what you love. Discipline, too, is crucial. It's about making a commitment to your goals and sticking to it, even when you'd rather be doing something else. Remember, failure is not the end. It's a learning opportunity. Embrace your failures as chances to grow and never stop learning. Your strategy for success should be as unique as you are. So, what have we learned about success today? First and foremost, success is a personal journey, and the definition varies from person to person. It's not a one-size-fits-all concept, but rather a tailor-made suit designed to fit your unique vision and aspirations. We've also discovered that there is a wealth of knowledge to be gained from those who have walked the path before us. The stories of successful people not only inspire us, but they also offer valuable insights and strategies that can be adapted to our own journey. From resilience to creativity, from persistence to the power of a positive mindset, these stories serve as a guide, a beacon of light on the path to success. And finally, we've learned that creating your own success strategy is a vital step. It's about setting clear goals, embracing challenges, and remaining consistent in your efforts. Remember, it's your journey and you hold the map. Success isn't about the destination, it's about the journey. Start your journey today.